Unlock a whole new level of convenience at Exxon Mobil, beyond just pumping gas. Ever thought the Exxon Mobil app was just for fueling up? Think again. Today, we're diving deep into how you can use it for seamless in-store purchases and to access awesome loyalty rewards, making every visit easier and more rewarding. First, let's open up your Exxon Mobil app. Make sure you're signed in to your account. This is your gateway to all the amazing in-store features. You'll notice a dedicated section, often labeled Shop or Offers, which unlocks everything you can do inside. This is where the magic happens beyond the pump. Tap into this section, and you'll find a treasure trove of possibilities. You can browse exclusive in-store promotions and even see available discounts on your favorite snacks, drinks, or car essentials. Found something you want? It's simple to add it to your account. Just tap Add to Wallet or Add to Order. This prepares your chosen item for a quick checkout. Now, imagine you're in the store. Instead of fumbling for cards or cash, you'll head to the checkout counter. When it's time to pay, simply open your Exxon Mobil app and navigate to the payment screen or your added offers. You'll likely see a scannable code. The cashier will scan this code, and just like that, your selected item and any applied discounts are processed instantly. It's remarkably fast and efficient. But wait, there's more. Your in-store purchases also rack up those valuable loyalty points. You can easily track your progress directly within the app, seeing how close you are to your next reward. Once you've earned enough, redeeming your rewards is just as straightforward. You can often select them directly in the app for use on your next in-store purchase, or even for fuel. So remember, the Exxon Mobil app is your Al-Anon tool for a smarter, more convenient experience, from grabbing a coffee to stocking up on essentials. And all while earning rewards, it truly expands the utility of your mobile device for every customer interaction. Download or update your app today and start enjoying the ease of Exxon Mobil in-store.